Shut up.
Yeah.
12 quid to 400 quid.
12 quid to 400. And like when I first started, I was buying and selling anything. Like, I'm talking anything. I used to sell eggs on the market stall.
Mad.
And I was doing like scrap metaling, like proper gritty hustling, car boot sales. You know, like car boot sales.
So how old are you at this point?
Probably like 16, 17.
Yeah.
I applied at I left college, applied at loads of jobs, could not get a job anywhere. JD Sports, whatever. You know, like normal jobs, couldn't get a job anywhere. So proper hustling, selling anything I could get my hands on.
So did you have like a realization that like, you know, you was like, oh, I'm sick of trying getting jobs and stuff like that, and then you just was like, I'm gonna start a side hustle? And how did you even like think to start like a side hustle?
So, because I needed a job, I think someone like introduced the idea of start going to outlets. So I started off outlet hunting.
Yeah.
But I was outlet hunting and doing all the other hustles. So in my mind, it was just I'm trying to do as much as I physically can. Like if there's a little job there, I'm doing it. That was just like proper hustle mode. Reselling, but I was reselling outlet stuff.
So how does outlet like hunting work, and you know, what can you make from it?
You know, if you've got a good knowledge of stock, whether it's, I mean, it can be Ralph Lauren stuff, it can be like whatever is at your local outlet. I mean, the thing is, you can sell on eBay, Instagram. These channels are pretty much free. I mean, eBay's not free, but you only pay it after you sell something.
And outlet stuff really good for like places like Depop and stuff like that, isn't it?
Oh,
like,
for sure, yeah.
Like almost like the thrifting vibe. Like it's really good for that.
So what was you buying? Like Nike stuff? Like what type of stuff was you buying? And you know, how much was you making at that point when you were doing outlet hunting?
So it didn't start off just shoes. Like it could have been some sportswear jackets or caps, football boots. Any Nike product, yeah. Or let's say I'd buy some Ralph Lauren hats or some Adidas samples or something like that. Just anything, buying and selling. But you know, with the outlet hunting, you get addicted to it because it's not like I'm getting X amount today. Sometimes you're doing lucky finds.
Yeah, it's like you don't know what you're gonna find on that day.
Exactly. Yeah. So like, I remember like one of my biggest finds, profit percentage wise, were like a lime green Adidas mountaineering jacket.
Yeah.
I saw it. I knew something was special about it, but I didn't know anything about it. Bought it for 12 quid. Adidas sample. Resold it for 400 quid.
Shut up.
Yeah.
12 quid to 400 quid.
12 quid to 400. And that was conservative. I mean, I'm sure this jacket was sold at like 550 a couple times. But we paid 12 quid.
Yeah.
Did you get a couple of them, or did you just manage to get the one?
I got one and my mate got one.
Jeez. Mental.
But, so a guy were looking at it and I said, oh, that's nice that. He had a big pile of stuff to resell as well. I went, oh, that's nice. Like, oh, yeah, have it.
Mad. What? So did he hand you the jacket?
Yeah.
So he basically handed you £380 profit, something.
Obviously, neither of us knew.
What?
At the point.
It was mad, but that's good and bad because when you have little runs like that, that's what gets you addicted.
I bet you was gassed.
But that one there might cost you 90 days of not getting anything.
Yeah.
Because you've still got that in the back of your brain. You're still going for it.
So when you're going into these stores, are you like, you're finding that product, you're going on eBay searching tag, or you literally just buy it and then going home and like hoping that it does well? Or at this point you've got a good knowledge?
Depending what price point. I mean, if you're getting it cheap enough, you can flip anything.
Yeah, like that 12 quid.
You can. So,
100%.
You know, you're always going to be able to flip. I mean, I'm probably a bit overly ambitious. That's why I ended up with a lot of shit. Yeah. But because I'm just buying everything, you're just getting into buying mode. But yeah, you get addicted to it and you just keep piling it up.